Hey guys, it's your boy Ender back with another video, and today we're going to be battling my custom 3D printed Beyblade, Necromancer Ares, 0-Hoplon, Xtend Metal vs. Dread Bahumat 7 Wall Orbit Metal. It should be an exciting video. If you've been around the channel for, at least for most of the year, you'll know that Ares and Dread have some beef that, every evolution, in order to be counted as an evolution, has to be able to beat Dread in some way. Like Spartan Ares could one-shot, it could burst Dread. Celestial Ares can burst Dread. Even Ligustus, right before it died, was able to absolutely body Dread. So let's see if Necromancer can stand up to the task and maybe even get a burst. I don't really think it will because of how round this thing is. It's definitely more defense oriented for a balance type, but we'll find out. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you like, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell to be notified every time I upload, come join my public Discord, the link will be on the pinned comment down below, and I'll see you guys at the stadium. Okay, we're at the stadium. So we'll be doing our usual. First bait of 15 points is our winner. First finish count is 2. Survivor and ring outs are both 1 point. And let's get started. Necromancer Ares is in right spin defense mode. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, I still really love how Necromancer looks. Like, it looks so good while it's spinning. Especially with the brass helmet in the center. Okay, that's 1-0. Necromancer is in the lead. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Okay, that's 2-0. I'm going to be switching Xtend Metal into Stamina mode, so we can get some more counter attacks going on. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh god. If that didn't kill my stamina, I don't know what would. Yeah, Necromancer's really godly in spin stealing capabilities. Okay, we'll keep it in stamina. Or I'll even launch it first. Yeah, but it's just a really good spin stealing. Yeah, sorry about there being a little while since the last video. It was my last week of school before winter break. And I got my wisdom teeth taken out, so I couldn't really talk very well. And I was exhausted because of my medication they put me on. Okay, that's 3-0. Putting Necromancer back in defense mode. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be able to burst Dread, but we'll see. 2 and go. 3, 2, and go. Oh god. Okay, that was a draw. Let me re-put on the frame. Oh, that's what 0- looks like if anyone hasn't seen it. Okay. I was going to do Prisoner Pride versus Heaven Pegasus, but I don't know. I decided that I haven't shown Ares in a while. Okay, that's 4-0. Yeah, I don't think Dread's going to be able to get a point. God, did I break my launcher? No, I didn't. Okay. Yeah, just because of how Necromancer is, I don't think we'll get a point. Oh god, the frame came off. Whoop. Okay, that's 5-0. Let's just see the LAD on it. Doesn't even touch the stadium floor. Okay, let's put that frame back on. So current score is 5-0. Ares is winning. Pretty soon go shoot. Let's get a nice light launch in there. Ooh, you heard that hit? Spin stealing in the making. Okay, I think that's a draw. Okay. So still 5-0. That's what happens when you get cocky and you do the lightest launch possible. Yeah, Necromancer is still in right spin defense mode. Six to 0. Seven to 0. You're doing good. Oops, missed launch. Okay, still 7 to 0. You're doing good. What in the world? Okay, I'll count that as a win, even though I missed launch. Three, two, and go. Okay, that's 8 to 2. god, the frame fell off. Okay, that's 9-2. Let's do some battles without the frame because apparently Ares wants to take it off. Okay, well, let's see how it does. I picked the bad stadium first because Dread literally blends in. Okay, that's 10-2. Return go. God, they're equalizing. Okay, Ares with the God LED. That's 11-2. Return go. Return go. Okay, that's 12-2. 3, 2, and go. 3, 2, and go. Okay, that's 13-2. Return go. Oh my god, what in the world? Oh god. Yes. Okay, that's 14-2. I'm going into attack mode on Xtend Metal. 3, 2, and go. Okay, and that's Necromancer Ares is our winner with a final score of 15-2. So yeah, as I predicted, no burst this game, but you know, it was still fun. Ares, the Necromancer is officially an Ares. It has defeated Dread, terrorist. Yeah, I don't think I can say it on the internet. Okay, well, if you guys enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you like, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell to be notified every time I upload, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.